Welcome to your ultimate guide on mastering the router, the key to woodworking precision. Routers are versatile and essential tools in any woodworker's arsenal, capable of transforming raw wood into intricate masterpieces. Let's explore the key parts: the powerful motor, the secure collet, and the stable base. From handheld to table-mounted, each router type has its strengths. Choose wisely, based on your project needs. Safety is paramount. Always wear protective gear and maintain a clean, organized workspace. Proper setup is key. We'll walk through the process to ensure precise cuts and professional results. Selecting the right router bit can make or break your project. Let's explore different types and their uses. Achieving the perfect depth is crucial. Master the techniques to set and adjust your router for optimal results. Controlling feed rate is an art. We'll discuss how to achieve smooth, clean cuts by mastering this skill. Enhance your precision with router guides and jigs. These accessories can elevate your woodworking game significantly. We'll compare climb cutting and conventional cutting, explaining when and why to use each method. Explore common router applications in woodworking, from edge profiling to creating complex joinery. With these expert tips, you're well on your way to becoming a router master. Practice makes perfect. Ready to elevate your woodworking skills? Click the link below for more in-depth resources and tutorials.